Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sansan Pretty. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to change your name on your REDNOTE account. So if you want to know how to change your name on your REDNOTE account, sit tight and watch this video to the very end. All you need to do here is to log in your REDNOTE account, and after doing that, all you need to do here is to click on the me icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you click on that, all you need to do now is to click on the profile. You can see the profile in this place. Once you click on that, you can see your name here. All you need to do now is to change your name. Click on it and edit your name. So guys, that's it. If you found this video useful, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a like. See you guys in my next video. Bye.